Welcome to TrueFlame, where excellence meets outdoor cooking. Our premium kitchen line reimagines gourmet grilling with unparalleled craftsmanship and elegance. Introducing the TrueFlame Grill, available in 40, 32, and 25-inch models. Designed for the discerning chef, each grill features interior halogen lighting for maximum visibility, exterior LED lighting that lets you know what burner is on, square stainless steel cooking grates for flavor-packed searing, heat separators for optimal temperature control, an inset removable cooking tray, and a balanced multi-position hood hinge. With a 14,000 BTU flamethrower ignition and a 10,000 BTU back burner for rotisserie, your grilling possibilities are endless. With our gold standard lifetime warranty, TrueFlame stands by every sizzle, sear, and succulent bite for years to come. Craftsmanship, safety, intention, eloquence. TrueFlame, where every meal is an experience.